What's the meaning of clay? Clay. Clay.
Clay. Clay. Clay is an adjective used to describe soil that contains a high proportion of clay particles. Clayey soil is characterized by its ability to hold on to water and nutrients, making it fertile for plant growth. However, it can also become easily compacted and difficult to work with, especially when wet. In construction, clay soil may pose stability issues due to its low shear strength and tendency to swell when exposed to moisture. Overall, clay refers to a specific type of soil with unique properties that can have both benefits and drawbacks depending on the context.